Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok's green screen effect. So go over to your TikTok account and tap on the plus icon in the middle to create. And once you're here, tap on effects on the lower left. And then just scroll to the right until you see the words green screen. Now tap on the first icon, and as you can see it says upload a photo. You can choose from your album by tapping on the plus icon here or by just sliding this to the right. So for example, I want this as my background. There you have it. You can also adjust where you want yourself to be by pinching on yourself and just dragging it to where you want it to be, for example here. And there you have it. You can go ahead and record your video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.